Siemens presents the IQ 500 washing machines with the SensoFresh system, the system with active oxygen that enables various innovative features. The SensoFresh program provides effective odor removal in only 30 to 45 minutes. Get rid of odors such as cigarette smoke or kitchen smells. Active oxygen breaks the odor-causing protein chains and removes bad smells without water, without detergent, and without chemical additives. Thus, this gentle treatment is particularly suitable for sensitive and non-washable fabrics. But the SensoFresh system offers more. Active oxygen also ensures hygienically clean laundry. The hygiene program is the right choice for delicate textiles that cannot be washed on a high-temperature wash program. Thanks to the addition of active oxygen, the laundry gets hygienically clean even at low temperatures. The Drum Clean program meets the highest hygiene standards. Active oxygen ensures a hygienically clean washing machine and effectively prevents the accumulation of odor-causing bacteria. The IQ 500 washing machines with the SensoFresh system, rooted in cutting-edge technology, powered by iSensoric.